My name's Rob Smith. I'm originally from Northern Ireland, now living in Fort William, and I work as a mountain guide about 6 months of the year on expeditions abroad. I'm leaving on Monday to go to Everest, to climb Everest and Lhotse, and this will be my 8th expedition to Everest. And yeah, it's great, it's exciting. The old windows, they were really old-fashioned. They had that kind of LED type effect, you know, which we never liked, and also they were dark wood, and it was time to replace them, so it was great to get it done. Brian came out from C.R. Smith. He's really friendly, very personable, and I think that just went a long way in the sort of decision process. We got a date originally. Inge said to have it done in January. I was in Antarctica and I was like, I think you're nuts. I think you should wait until I come home, you know, for all the shifting stuff around. And I think we had it done the first week in February. And the installation was really good, actually. You know, they turned up exactly as scheduled, actually a day earlier, so it was even better. With good weather, and the guys could just work on their own, and they had everything done on schedule. It was painless, it was really good. I thought C.R. Smith were really easy to deal with, just from the kind of first visit through the whole process. And you know, getting workmen in Highlands is a nightmare, so just getting people that you can work with and rely on, you know, it's really important, I think, especially when you have a young family in the house and busy lifestyles. Oh, it's so different. They just let so much more light in. You can obviously see straight through them, you know, there's no full LED in them. But also the frames, I think the woodwork's one of the nicest things about the windows, actually. They're a lighter colour, they're thinner, so the windows actually look bigger. You know, lots of visitors have said that. Yeah, it's transformed the place, really. And the end product is just fabulous. We're really, really happy with it, and yeah, can't say any more than that.